Learn how to turn simple text into a professional faceless YouTube video using AI. No camera, no microphone, no editing skills. 60 to 90 words equals 1 minute of video. Simple English works best. The ideal total length is 3 to 6 minutes. Step 1. Open Pictory. Go to pictory.ai, sign up, use the free trial, and click Script to Video. Step 2. Convert text to video. Paste your script, click Proceed. Pictory will automatically break your text into scenes and add matching visuals. This takes less than 1 minute. Step 3. Edit scenes, which is optional but powerful. You can change video clips, replace images, adjust text placement, and highlight important keywords. For a faceless channel, use AI visuals only and avoid human faces for full anonymity. Step 4. Add AI voiceover. Click Voiceover, choose English US or UK, and a male or female voice. Then click Apply to all scenes. No microphone needed. Step 5. Add background music. Click Music, choose Soft Background Music, and reduce the volume to 10 to 15%. This makes your video sound professional. Step 6. Export your video. Select MP4 format, 720p or 1080p resolution, and download your video. Your faceless YouTube video is ready. Your Day 3 assignment is to create one faceless video using Pictory. Topic ideas include how AI is changing business, AI tools everyone should know, or how to make money with AI automation.